everyone. So, today I wanted to tell you, regarding successful people. Why you might be thinking about the people around you, or maybe in the TV. Why exactly they are successful? What is the reason, right? How they are successful? What exactly they are following, right? So, basically, they have developed strong habits. That is the major reason why today people are successful, okay, due to habits. Now let's see what are the highly successful people habits that they follow in their life, right? Let's explore about it. Before that, just wanted to tell you, my name is Lokita Takrar and I'm a mindfulness coach. So let's go ahead and explore. So the first and the number one habit of the successful people are believe in yourself. They always believe in them. They always believe in them. They don't, harm the negativity in their body, in their mind. The main thing is the mind. They don't do that. They always believe whatever they do, they believe in that. Whatever they are starting, they believe in that. So, believe in yourself is the number one step to success, is the number one habit to success. Second step is set goals. Setting goals. They set a goal, a realistic goal, where they will be doing it as a daily habit, and through that thing they will be reaching to that goal. And today, that is the reason they are successful. So try to set goals, visualize it every time, right? The other step, the third step is self care, which most of the people don't do, but the successful people do. This is one of the habit of the successful people. They always care about themselves also. They do a self care. Try to care about yourself. Love yourself. Whatever you are doing, love it. Enjoy it. Be happy in it. Other point is networking. This is the other habit which the successful people follow in their life, day to day life. They network with each other. They will not be thinking once also before going to that step, because they are the action takers who always go and who always take actions. They network it. They network. So networking is the best way. Try to network, try to communicate with people, different people into your field. Try to build a habit around that. Other point is early bird. They early bird means they wake up early. They are an early bird. They wake up early. They have a habit of waking up early, because if we see, we always you might be have listened at least once in your life that waking up early gives us more productive. We be more productive when we wake up early, right? So that is the reason they wake up early and they do that work. Try to do it once and see the magic. Try to wake up early. Start with a small thing. Don't be like, if you're waking up, your habit is waking up at 10 a.m., for example, don't be like, I'll be waking up at 5 a.m. No. Try with a small thing first. First, try to develop a habit of waking up at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. Then you can just, once you're habitual about it, after a few days, then you develop a habit. So start waking up early. The last point is sharing. Sharing is the number one thing, which is we call it caring. Sharing is caring. You all must have heard this, right? So they always share whatever they have, whatever the value they have. They feel like, that sharing is will make someone's life more easier. They always share it because they don't think that they don't have that fear. They don't always be on a thinking mode, right? They don't do that. Why? Because their mind is just taking action and just providing value, right? Just helping someone. So that is the reason they take action. So share everything, like, mostly everything which actually help other people. Try to start sharing it. So these are 6 habits of a highly successful people. If you really, really, really like this, do like this video and share your top 3 learnings. What are the top 3 learnings from this? And do subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Telegram, and do join in Facebook group wherein you'll be getting daily updates for this. Okay, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, so thank you. Have a great day.